In this video, I'm going to teach you simple solutions on how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072ee7. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run for SFC scan. So by that, here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, please wait until you get to see a command prompt system under the best match, and you need to run it as an administrator. So navigate to the right side and wait until you can see an option which is run as administrator. So click on it, and once you have opened this window, please paste this command which is sfc scannow. So this will help you to fix the problem. Okay? Once you have completed this procedure, copy, paste. Once you have completed this one, you need to restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is we need to change our DNS server. So navigate at the search box again, type for panel, and once you have seen the control panel system, you need to click on the open at the right side. And here at the control panel, you need to navigate to the category, go with large icons. Once done, you need to navigate to the network and sharing center. And from here, go with your connections, click on it. And after that, go with the properties. Under the Wi-Fi properties, you need to find for Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And then set day. Use the following DNS server addresses, turn it on, and set the preferred DNS into 8.8.8 and then alternate into 8.8.4.4. So what we have set here is the best Google's DNS as well as the second one under the alternate. Click on OK. Click on close and then restart your computer and then check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button. So from here, we need to start the Microsoft Store install service. So by that, we need to select any of the service here, type M in your keyboard, find for Microsoft Store install service. Make sure you have set it into running. And then go with the startup, set it into automatic. Click on apply and then click on OK. And then close the window and check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then I want you to proceed to the last solution, and that is here at the search box. Please type for PowerShell. Once done typing, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the PowerShell here. And then once you have seen the Windows PowerShell, you need to navigate to the right side and please run it as an administrator, just like what you did at the CMD. So click on it. And first, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. It is the second command. Please copy and paste it here at the PowerShell and wait until it will be finished. And once you have done it, try to check if the error has been resolved. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.